Hello YouTube, welcome to the part 2 of the Intharawihan Temple tour in Bangkok, Thailand. If you haven't watched part 1, you are welcome to go to my channel and view part 1 as well. So here we are at the back of the Intharawihan Temple and almost missed it, but I found the secret garden of this temple. So right behind the tallest ever Buddha statue here in Thailand I've ever seen. Just behind the statue I found another secret garden. Here I can see the Lohan statues with some gold foils taped on top. Since not that many gold foils placed on it, I assume this portion of the temple may be relatively new. Let's take a quick walk of the exterior of this building. Just take a look at the monks, the statue of the monks. They look really vivid, really realistic. Every statue comes with the labeling. Unfortunately, I don't read none of them. Still, just by appreciating the real handcrafted statues or handmade art pieces, that's just amazing. That's just amazing and yeah, impressive. The monk statues, also Indian Buddha statue. Yeah, marble stone made statue. Okay, let's go ahead and have the shoes off before we get into this worship building temple. Okay, be quiet. There we go. Girl. really sacred worship area. Okay. Now I think it's gonna be a challenge for me to get on these steps to the back of the gigantic Buddha building, Buddha statue. Okay, it's really stiff, but I assume I can make it. Yes, you can make it, Charlie. I have every confidence of you. Okay. Okay. This is tall. Really tall. More steps and we can make it. Okay. Shoes off. How do I take shoes off? Okay. Hello guys.
Hi. It's very steep.
Yep, not easy.
Thank you.
Yep. Okay. Where's my shoes off? Yes. I can take a tour. Oh, it's worth it. See, all the beauty sceneries from here, of the back of the Buddha statue. Not easy. Yeah, but I made it. And this is the ancient city of Thailand, city of Bangkok. Has been like this for centuries. This city gonna be like this for at least next couple centuries. I assume hopefully they preserve all the authenticity, all the real look of its original Asian culture like this. Okay, I won't fall. I'm good, I can make it. Okay. Now it's good to put my shoes on. Okay, I gotta sit down a little bit to put the shoes on. Two. it's a little bit easier for me to get down than to get up. So, yep, not bad, not bad. Okay. Ooh. Yes. Okay. Back to the ground level. And just gonna take another quick walk. Coming the other steps on the right hand side of the building. Okay. I can make it. Not easy. Never easy. There's a pathway where people praise the ashes of their ancestor and worship. I don't think it's a good idea for me to go through that pathway with the ashes, with the ash of their ancestor, but yeah, I'm gonna take the other road. There's no labeling or sign says Susa, but I will do it anyway, just in case. Okay. I'm out. Yeah, look at those beautiful handcrafted art pieces of the mother of pearl inlays and carvings. Okay. Right. India Buddha statue, I believe. Yeah. More steps to get to the back of the Buddha statue, but that's too much for myself. I tried, I made it. I want me to give it another attempt. Try it again. No, not today. Okay. Yeah. That's about it. Alright. Thank you guys for watching this video of the Buddhism temple in Bangkok, part 2. If you like this video, please like and subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that you won't miss any of the video updates, and I will see you guys next time. Cheers.